Sometimes I wonder, cause I'm just not sure. Do we know it's really up there? What we're praying for? What's the sign of true faith, or the meaning of believing? Can I get that kind of grace? Can I find that holy feeling? But he doesn't say for all, he only says for many. I wanna understand, but sometimes I just can't see how a faith in that eternity can make me live so differently while I'm still alive and free, thinking what it means to me. When they say have hope, I say I just don't know. The sky shines clear for me here, but over there it's dark, it's cold. What do they hope for? What do they need? How can hope help them handle all the hell they're seeing? Cause they're bleeding and dealing with pain every day. They're still crying and dying. It inspired us to pray that God will make a play to save us, cause the pain is still so great as it'll take us to the grave unless we find a way to change it. Make you the top, cause if you don't have love, you'll be nothing to God. Forgiveness and grace, and maybe some charity, humility, patience, that all makes sense to me, like it was meant to be, like we're all family. Some